pleasure to see so many people attending this seminar in spite of a rainy day. Our founder president, Dr. K. S. Sancheti, my teacher, Dr. Bogil, who is heading the diploma in hospital management, who would also be heading our postgraduate program, which is equivalent to MBA. Dr. Vikram, for coming here and inspiring all the students at such a short notice. Thank you, Dr. Vikram.
And traveling all the way.
Traveling all the way in 2 days, 4 hours to so many places. It's just going to be a very brief presentation which will explain you about this course. I just want to clarify before we go on to the slides. See, Sancheti has been running many programs. Diploma in Hospital Management is going on for 27 years. Let me just clarify the difference between these two programs. The postgraduate program is a 2-year program which is equivalent to MBA, and which is a postgraduate program in healthcare services, which caters to pharmaceuticals, hospitals, then your manufacturing, IT, all the parts of the healthcare industry. Whereas our diploma is a part-time program which is for 1 year and which caters to hospital administration. There's nothing wrong with this program and there's nothing wrong with the postgraduate program. But the difference is part-time, full-time, and this opens up different avenues in healthcare sector. Whereas hospital administration, you have to get into hospital. So this is a wider choice that you would have end of 2 years. And of course, because you are trained for 2 years full-time, the salary and the job opportunities are much greater. But of course, our diploma is also a great option for you. Is everybody able to see? Okay, like my father, Dr. Sancheti said that he started in 1965 with a very humble beginning. There's 1973, Sancheti Institute came up, 2008, Sancheti Joint Replacement came up, and 2011, Sancheti Healthcare Academy, which we inaugurated just a few months back. You know, you must go and take a round at the infrastructure. We have the best infrastructure. Even though my father started with a very humble beginning, today also, the entire empire stands very humble. As Bhautosh has already, just to give you a background, because I'm sure actually Dr. Sancheti needs no introduction. Needs no introduction, but one of his objectives has always been dissemination of knowledge for the greater good. And that's how, when we go back, he started 27 years back, the Diploma in Hospital Management. We run a program which is MS in Orthopedics, B-Ortho. We have Physiotherapy College, which is rated India's number 3 college, private college, which is recognized by MUHS. And we have launched the new program, which is postgraduate program in healthcare.
Next.
So these are the programs which are run by Sancheti Healthcare Academy. Only thing is we have moved to a new place, you know. This is a different academy by itself because as Sancheti Hospital is growing, with Dr. Vikram's help, we have huge expansion plans and we are falling short of the space. And my 11 years of working in the hospital, I realized that there is tremendous shortage of trained manpower. So I decided to move my field from administration to education, and here I am. I'm launching a new program. So next. So we have talked about the growth in the healthcare industry. Dr. Vikram told you, Dr. Sancheti told you, but just looking at some facts and figures, healthcare industry today is one of the largest growing service sector today. Last year in 2010, according to Met's employment research, it shows 2.6 lakhs jobs were created in healthcare industry, making it fastest growing industry. The healthcare industry has a potential. If you remember, just about 8 to 10 years ago, there was a boom in IT industry. Today, healthcare industry is actually witnessing the same growth. Also, the next point is the infrastructure. We'll move to this point the next. Go to the opportunities. So I don't want to take too much time because we have already seen that there's a growth, there's opportunity, and both the speakers have already talked about it. So I'll skip this slide and keep more time for question answers here. This is a graph which shows from 1958 how the sector has shown the growth, and 2008 is the graph that I have next. This is the GDP growth. In 2008, it was almost about. Why are you moving? 9.35, and it's expected to go to 13.5 in 2013. Even your medical tourism is another field in healthcare which is growing at a great speed, and you will have great career opportunities in the same. Okay, this is why we call it postgraduate program, because by choice we have decided not to go in for AICTE approval. We do not want to call it MBA, because the minute you actually look for AICTE approvals, you have to do the curriculum which is decided by them. But we are giving you a very different curriculum here. It's going to be a business acumen which is required for healthcare industry. You're going to get a practical knowledge. There's going to be a lot of self-studies, self-enhancement, lot of case studies. And this puts restrictions the minute you go to AICTE. So hence, by choice, we are not calling it MBA, but it is equivalent to MBA. We have extremely strong advisory board. Some of the advisory board names we'll just tell you. Dr. K.L. Sanchevi, who is our founder president and who is absolutely going to be a backbone. He's promised us that he is going to be in the industry. He's going to be in the premises at least once a week and going to take some of the classes. Dr. Bhomi Bhatt, who is the CEO of Ruby Hall, he's on our advisory board. Dr. Arun Mudbadri, who was actually backbone of SIBM when they started this MBA program. Mrs. Leena Poonawala, Dr. Vikram Prakuvanshi is also promised to deliver some of the lectures and take some classes. Yeah. So again, I'm talking about why this program is so different. Is that you will get the healthcare industry knowledge, you will get the business acumen, the self-enhancement, and you will have some common subject like MBA, the management program, along with the healthcare. Again, why I'm saying this program is different, because you get a specialization to do in the next year. Whereas Dr. Vikram, correct me if I'm wrong, nowhere in the country today the specialization is offered. So this program again gives you a specialization, like any other MBA program. But it will be necessarily in healthcare. So students who can apply, of course the fresh graduates, people who have had experience for 2 to 3 years can be here. We also have permanent and adjunct faculty. We have put more emphasis on visiting faculty, because we want to give you the best of faculty. So there's no, again, when you have AICTE approval, if whenever you actually go in for it, you have to have X number of permanent faculty, X number of visiting faculty. We want to give you the best faculty, so this is another reason where we'll have an access to visiting faculty who will be traveling for all over. If you go visit our website, we'll give you the list of faculty that we are going to have for this program. Again, I said there's a curriculum, teaching and placement. My next slide will show you these are some of the consortium partners. What I mean by consortium partners, they have joined hands with us, like Aditya Birla, Sushruth, Ruby Hall, Medica Synergy, Oyster Pearl, Spinology, Jahangir Hospital, and many more. What is happening with this? They have helped us to co-create this program. They will be part of the teaching. What they are missing in their, in their people, they are telling us. So that's how we have designed this program, learning from the other people who are experts in this field. And that's how we have got them together to co-create this program. That's why they are actually our consortium partners, and who will also be helping you people after you pass out 2-year program with the placement. Since they become the partners with us, they will have the first choice to actually for the placements and to hire the students. This is the website. I'm sure all of you have visited, but now we will go on to question answers. So please feel free, ask any questions. Don't hesitate. Don't think how can I ask? Maybe I'll go out later. But no, just ask, because it will be beneficial to others also. And I'll just